Hello, and welcome to Deeply Human, the short and smart podcast where real people talk about how DeepL is making their life easier. I'm your host, Laura Desert, and in the next few minutes, you'll hear a true story from a real human using our technology, and find out what they think makes us deeply human. If you like what you hear today, be sure to subscribe and check out our other episodes. Today's guest on the podcast is Audrey Schlichenmaier, Corporate Account Executive for DeepL, based out of Austin, Texas. She grew up in Texas and rounded off her studies with a master's in Madrid, where she perfected her Spanish language skills. Audrey is one of DeepL's first 10 US reps. Hi, Audrey. It's great to see you, and it's so nice to have you on the show. How are you?
Thank you. I'm doing very well. Appreciate you having me.
No, thank you for coming on the podcast. So before we dive in, I just want to do a quick check. So at DeepL, we know the power of AI, but we also, of course, understand the value of real humans. So I just want to make sure that you're not an AI robot. Can you prove to us that you're a human, maybe by telling us how your friends would describe you?
I am a human. My friends describe me as creative, somewhat of an Energizer bunny, and hopefully kind, I guess.
Oh, I love that. Fantastic. So yeah, Energizer Bunny, that's great. So you've got plenty of energy, which I'm sure comes in handy when you're out there selling our products. So of course you work in our wonderful sales team here at DeepL. So maybe you could start by telling us a little bit about your role specifically and the regions that you focus on.
Absolutely. So I started with DeepL in January of 2024, and I cover basically the Pacific Northwest of the United States, but also all of Latin America for our corporate accounts, our mid-market region. And so that includes Central America, South America, Brazil, and that's my scope, basically.
Great. So in the little introduction, we talked about how you studied Spanish. So you speak English, of course, and some Spanish. But I suppose when you're doing business, and particularly when you're trying to sell a product in a language that you don't speak natively, that might come with some challenges as well. So maybe you could start by telling us, actually, before you came across DeepL and before you started using it, what were some of the challenges you faced and how did you manage those?
Yes, so I studied Spanish and did get my master's, but that doesn't encompass everything that I need to learn, especially starting at DeepL. There's so many different products and tools, and the more we dive into tech and AI, it's an entire vocabulary that I wasn't necessarily familiar with. And so just constantly have brushing up on my Spanish to be relevant here, but even still, there are nuances where you can tell I'm not necessarily a native speaker. And that's just for the Spanish. I actually don't speak Brazilian Portuguese at all. And so ran into a bit more challenges trying to break into that market without speaking that language.
Yeah, I can imagine that must be quite a sort of stressful experience and not very smooth at all, whether that's for you, but also for our customers and the context that you're speaking with. So then I guess when you came across DeepL, that must have felt like a bit of a magic wand in comparison. Can you tell me actually how did you first hear about DeepL and when did you first start using it?
Absolutely. I was actually using other softwares before I started using DeepL. I would try and not necessarily get the outcome that I wanted. It kind of didn't sound professional. And so when I came across DeepL, I was really excited to use the software because it was an actual solution that I could trust, that I could use at work and know that I wouldn't come across as some copy and paste bot in the background. It's been really great using DeepL because I'm not stuck, again, copying and pasting, but I use it within my emails. I use it to do writing improvement. Now it's basically integrated into every part of my communications. But prior to having the accuracy level of DeepL, I didn't necessarily feel comfortable using kind of these translators in my professional job.
Yeah, I know what you mean, and particularly, with DeepL is great for written comms, and some of these other tools can help as well. But since the end of last year, we've also got this shiny new product that lets you translate live speech in meetings and conversations. So I can imagine that kind of took you to the next level with DeepL Voice. How did that change things for you in the way that you work?
Absolutely. So when I work with with DeepL in my day-to-day, I work in LATAM where I can use my Spanish. And before I was working in Brazilian Portuguese with emails and written comms. A lot of people want to do business in their native language. They want to negotiate in their native language. They want to ask questions in their native language. It brings people, a little bit more comfort and confidence having those conversations in their preferred language of choice. And so before we had voice, I still wanted to make sure that the customers got that interaction with DeepL. And so I had a colleague who's actually based in Brazil. And although he's not in sales, he's fluent in Brazilian Portuguese. And so I would ask him to actually join my calls and help my customers be comfortable and make sure that, they had someone there that they knew could provide a direct translation. But now with voice, it is the magic wand, kind of as you mentioned. We've got many people from many different languages on the call at the same time. And it's been a game changer in the fact that everyone can speak their own languages, and we don't necessarily have to have any intermediaries or any translators, which is good for him so he can get back to his job too.
Yeah, no, I bet. I bet the customers must be really impressed with that, and that's quite a unique feature of our product. I'd love to know actually if you could tell us a little bit more about some of the other reactions you've seen from our customers when you use DeepL in real time, and some of them, I suppose, see it for the first time.
Yeah, I think it's it's a really cool way to see kind of the shock and awe. It can become really frustrating when you don't feel like your voice is being heard or you're not getting your point across, or maybe people aren't necessarily hearing you because you don't speak up because you don't like your accent or whatever. With this tool, people can just speak freely and have multiple languages at the same time speaking freely, and it's literal jaw drops because it hasn't existed before, and it hasn't existed in a way where everyone could participate equally. And so, the reactions have been a lot of relief, a lot of disbelief, a lot of, hold on, let me send this link because I'm going to go get all my friends to hop on this call too. And it's kind of, it's exciting to see, the same way that I enjoy using it every day. Obviously, these people do too. And it brings, equal benefits, if not more, for them.
Yeah, amazing. I love that. The relief and disbelief, people's reactions. And yeah, I don't know about you, but there's also something that feels really good about working for a company that is building the technology behind all of this, and the fact that we can build and sell a tool that makes people's lives and people's work lives more connected and smoother. Um, I don't know actually, what is it for you that you enjoy the most about working at DeepL?
I I enjoy a lot about working at DeepL. I love working with the people. On a personal note, I just went on a 2-week holiday, which is not necessarily super common for us in the States, but working with DeepL has been just such a relief coming back and knowing that my team is there to support me, that my customers were all taken care of. But also at the same time, it's great to work for a company that knows their purpose and what they're trying to achieve. And being able to see it happen in real time is is great because people can promise, oh, this is coming soon, check this out. But you're really seeing these products develop in real time, week over week. And again, like the kind of belief and disbelief has been fun because it's a real difference that you can see that you're making, which helps in the drive to go to work and help people.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I totally agree with you. And exactly like you just said, I love that we get to see all the new features before they're released as well. And internally as employees, we get to try out these new products first. And I can imagine as a salesperson, actually, in particular, that's crucial for you because I guess it helps you understand the value of the product on a deeper level, so that you can then go on to explain it to others. I actually wanted to ask you, how would you articulate the value of a product like DeepL? And I suppose from a business perspective, why is a tool like DeepL so important right now?
I think that we're experiencing massive globalization, and people from all over the world have access to information from all over the world. And I know for me, when I see something and I want to learn something, I've got questions, and then I want to interact with people. And being able to have DeepL and have the opportunity to have any of those conversations in whichever language, having the opportunity to communicate and to receive communications and be able to really get your point across is completely, a game changer. You really have an opportunity to learn new things and talk to new people. But from a business perspective, I think not only that, there's an element, I believe, that may not be written down, from a quantitative perspective. But I do think there's major qualitative benefits in having your employees be able to have these communications, express themselves, have access to the ability to speak different languages and really making their voice heard. And I think that apart from productivity, there is a level of morale that really helps folks stay engaged and want to participate and learn more.
Yeah, I think that's so true. Thank you. Thanks for sharing that. And from everything you've actually said today, it really sounds like you're using DeepL day to day, and so are our customers. So I guess to sum it up, what would you say is the overall impact that DeepL has had on your role ever since you started using it?
It has allowed me to really open up my professional career working in countries that I personally didn't know that I would have the opportunity to work in. It's really helped me learn how people do business in different cultures that I previously wasn't able to necessarily work and negotiate in. And it also has helped me just meet more folks and learn more. And I learned the other day the largest population of Japanese people outside of Japan is in Brazil. And it's like, oh, this is so cool. So now I'm learning about why there's so much Japanese spoken in Brazil and really bringing those two cultures together in meetings and in business conversations. And so I'm just continuing to learn more and absorb and seeing the secondary and tertiary impacts apart from just, translating an email.
Yeah, I had no idea about that, actually. That's super interesting. Amazing. Thank you for sharing all of that. And what I really love about your story is how DeepL allows you and our customers to handle negotiations in your own preferred languages. And I think that's really powerful. And I can really see how, as a salesperson, it gives you that independence and it opens the door to a lot more conversations, really, that wouldn't have happened otherwise, like you said, and especially, I suppose, in LATAM, which is a really fast-moving market. So it's great. It's great. It's giving you that certainty, that confidence, and like you said right at the beginning, you know that you're communicating accurately and professionally with our customers. Where the stakes are quite high, and we need to be, being professional at all times. So no, that's great. I really appreciate you sharing all of that. And now, as we wrap up, I want to ask you one final question, please, which we ask to all our podcast guests, which is, in this age of AI, what do you think makes us deeply human?
There's so much. um, I I think that AI is really exciting. It's a wonderful tool. For me, I think that creativity is really exciting and important, and it makes me human. It makes others human, and I think that now that creativity, I'm able to utilize AI to kind of like blow up my ideas or help organize my ideas. But I think what keeps us human is our kind of original thoughts and our collaborations together, that we can then expand on with AI.
Amazing. No, thank you. Thank you so much for sharing that. That's a wrap on this episode of Deeply Human, where we share stories of how AI helps real people. Big thanks to Audrey for sharing her story, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in today. If you want to hear more stories about how DeepL is changing lives, like this episode, subscribe to the Deeply Human podcast, and why not share your own story in the comments? Thank you.